This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 47 of building the Infinity Gauntlet. In this issue, we're going to be doing no building whatsoever. We'll have a look at the parts, but that's all we're really going to do. But first of all, of course, we're going to glance through the magazine. Avengers Assemble. Obviously, look, should assemble because they need to get together before they do things. Again, as ever, of course, feel free to pause and read the words if you like, or like me, just look at the pretty pictures. 2 pages. Feels thick. Is that 2 pages? I think it must be. It is. There we go. Look, it's the building bit that we're not going to do. Yes, we've got a little bit more of the base, but for some reason, they've given us a bit that doesn't actually connect. I don't know why. I would have thought that giving us that bit would have at least been something. But yeah, next time I think we get the rest of it and we get to assemble the bit of the base, although not fully. It's very strange. So yes, we shall do that next time. We'll have a look at the parts in a moment, but that'll be all we're doing. Rocket Raccoon. Yeah, Rocket. It's friends that were in the third Guardians movie. I don't remember. Rocket Raccoon reading guide who's in the Hulk. Must be where he first appeared. Looking at Mark Bagley, the maker of icons, apparently. That's what he did. And that's that. Right, let me clear this out. I'll do it all in one take. We'll clear this out of the way. And look, that is the parts that we have. We've got ourselves a metal tube and a plastic cross piece, which is going to go across something like that. I don't know exactly what happens. It's obviously going to fit across there, and we're going to get the other half of it next time, I believe. But whether or not that actually fits inside the gauntlet, and then that whole thing will sort of slide onto the tube, or if we do in fact mount that onto the tube, I don't know. But we might find out next time. But for now, that is that, and a video completed all in one take, unusually done on this channel. But that was that. And I shall see you for more of this in a couple of days when we're going to be doing the next part of this and actually fitting it to the stand, I believe. So thank you for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon for more. Other than that, have fun, have a nice time, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.